Question is find the class mark of the classes 15 to 35 and 45 to 60. So class mark, as we know, is given by upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So class mark of 15 to 35 will be 15 plus 35 divided by 2, which is 50 by 2, that is 25. And class mark of 45 to 60 will be 45 plus 60 divided by 2, which is 105 divided by 2, which is 52.5. So 52.5 is a class mark of 45 to 60. Mean of the first n natural number is 15. Mean is given to us, mean of first n natural number. Then find n we should find here. Now we know sum of first n natural number is given by formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for first n natural number. Okay. Now, and mean formula is what? Sum of observation for discrete data. Discrete data means here 1, 2, 3 till n number. Okay. So, list of the numbers we can say, or discrete data. So, for discrete data, mean formula is sum of observation divided by total observation. So sum of observation means sum formula we will be using n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and total observation means total number which are n in numbers, and so n will come. Both are in denominator, and mean is given to us 15. So we can shift this here, 30n n is square plus n. So n is square plus n minus 30n equal to 0. N is square minus 29 equal to 0, and we can take common. So n equal to 0 or n equal to 29. So n equal to 0 not possible. Okay, because if some mean is 15, that means there should be some numbers, isn't it? So 29 numbers are there for which mean is 15. So therefore n is equal to 29. So mean of first 29 natural number is 15 according to the question. Median and mode respectively of frequency distribution are given 26 and 29. We should find mean. So here we have one relation between these three central tendency that we can use to find mean. So here median is given to us, which is 26. Mode is given to us 29. Mean we should find. Suppose let it be m, that we should find. So relation is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so this is 29 given, median is 26 given, 2m. So 2m will be 3 into 26 minus 29. Rearrange the terms. So this is 78 minus 29. So mean will be, this will be 6 minus 2, 4. So mean is 49 by 2, which will be 24.5. So mean of the observation will be 24.5. In a frequency distribution, the mid value of a class is 10 and the width of the class is 6. What is the lower limit of the class? So let L and U be lower limit and upper limit, suppose. Lower limit and upper limit respectively. Now, mid value means class mark. Mid value of the class is 10 means class mark is 10. So class mark, mid value or class mark is given by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, which is given as 10. So we got here L plus U is equal to 20. We got one equation here in form of L and U. Width means class size. With another name for width is class size. So class size is 6. That means U minus L is 6. So that means suppose equation 1 we can write as U plus L. That will be better. This is equation 1. Since class size or class width is 6, but we know class size is given by this formula U minus L equal to 6. Equation 2. So lower limit of the class we should find means L we should find. Okay. So here we will subtract 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Then only L value we will get. Otherwise if we add, L will be subtracted and U value will get, and that U value we can substitute in any one of the equation to get L value. That is also possible, but here we will get directly if we subtract both the equations. So U minus U will go here. Okay, I will write separately. U minus L equal to 6 subtraction. So U minus U will go, L plus L 2L, and 20 minus 6 means 14. So 2L is equal to 14, that is L is 14 by 2, which is 7. So directly lower limit has come. Lower limit of the class is 7. Consider the following frequency distribution of the height of 60 students of a class. Then what is the upper limit of the median class? So classes are given here. We should check whether it is continuous or not. Yes, it is continuous. And for 1 mark, they will give continuous classes only. Then CF column we should find, because to find median class, isn't it? So we will write this as it is. 15, 13, 10, 8, 9, 5. This is frequency. CF we can find 15. We can copy as it is. Then 28, 38, 46, 55, and then 60. This number and this total strength should be same. We got the same value. Okay. Now n is 60 here. Number of height of the student. So 60 number of students are 60. N by 2 we should find, which is 60 by 2 30. Now nearest greater than 30 we should search in CF column. So nearest greater number than 30 is 38. Okay, that means this is your median class. This is your frequency, and previous frequency you should take as CF. Now here only question is about median class. Upper limit of the median class is asked. So that is 165. Answer for this is 165. For finding the popular size of ready-made garments, which central tendency is used? Now we have three central tendency in our syllabus: mean, mode, and median. Now mean and median mostly gives the average value. Okay, mean, another name for mean is average also. So that gives the mid value or average value of the data. But mode gives the most repeating value, most occurring value we can say. Okay, that is mode. Now to find the popular size, so mode only we can use, because suppose L size or shirt, small size, L size or XL size are there for any ready-made garment. So small size, some 20 people are taking, large size 13 people are taking, exercise 5 people are taking. So these represent mode. Okay, so which is most repeating number, this we should take. Okay, that means that says the popular size. So for this answer will be mode tendency we can use to find the popular size of ready-made garment. Difference of mode and median of a data is 24. Mode and median is 24 given. What is the difference of median and mean? Median and mean difference we should find. So for such kind of question, we should use the relation. We know the relation of mod is what? 3 median minus 2 mean. Now mod minus median is given to us. So what we will do? We will split this 3 median into median plus 2 median. Okay, we can do this. This median we will shift to the other side with mod. And from these two terms we will take 2 common. Now this value is given to us 24 2 times, and this bracket value we should find. So directly we can write median minus mean is 12. That only we should find. Difference of median and mean is 12. If mean of the numbers is 82, so mean of the numbers given 82. So mean formula is what? Sum of observation by total. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. And sum means add them. 27 plus x, 31 plus x, 89 plus x, 107 plus x, 156 plus x. Okay. Now next step we can take this 5 here. So from this we will find the x value, and after that we will solve this question. What is the mean of these terms? So 82 into 5 we can write 410. Okay. Now 27, 31 we can add. So this will be 58 plus 89 plus 107, 156. And how many x are there? Such 5x are there. So we can write 5x. Now we can add these numbers and we can shift to the other side. So if we add, we'll get, this will give 13, 22 and 30, 3, 5, 8, 16 and 5, 21, so 4. So 5x is equal to 410 minus 410 is 0 only, so x will be 0. That means here in each number x will be 0, so only the constant numbers are remaining. So that we can find easily. Mean is 130 plus 126 plus 68. I am not writing plus x because x value we got as 0. So such 4 numbers are there. 130 over 126, 68. No, 50 is also there. 50 also there. Total 5 numbers are there. Okay. So we can add them 180, 126 and 69, and we will get 375. So if we divide 375 with 5, we will get 75. So mean is 75. A set of numbers consists of 3 4s. So 4 are there 3 times. 5 5s. 5 is there 5 times. 6 6. 6 times 6 is there. 8 8. 8 times 8 is there. 7 tens. So 10 are there 7 times. What is the mod of this set of numbers? Okay, so here most repeating number we should check. 8 times number 8 is repeating. So mod will be 8. Okay, so therefore since 8 times 8 is repeating, therefore mod is